Is that a bamboo shoot, or are you just excited to see me?
$100 Delornes into Panda Magic.
We have played pandas all day, so we're sticking with the theme.
You are no doubt familiar with the game, as everyone is.
This is a link of dragons.
Just start min betting for a while. What is this? What I got going on here? I got some wings.
We'll need those to fly away on our stacks of money.
On our Panda Magic wings.
Oh.
We don't play a lot of Dragon League because we never goddamn win on it. But we also not won on anything else, so why not?
Okay.
Warhorse Casino.
You need to come up with like a cool logo, like W. H.
Oh.
That's supposed to be an H. Wait, what? H. Is that game sign? Sorry.
I don't know.
That's a game sign. I'm not gonna have a comment, so I don't do it again. Anyway, W H, the Warhorse.
The one and only, except for the other ones.
In Omaha and everywhere else.
Here's just those two.
You know where we at.
The one and only Warhorse Lincoln. How about that?
You found out that they have monsters.
Red Bull Backcast.
And I'm not sponsored by Monster, but I could be. So
As of today,
we also could be sponsored by Warhorse, but we're not. So Warhorse or another, want to sponsor us. We take free play, loads of money, our own slot machine that's branded with our teases. Normal.
our brand affiliate with the Warhorse is paid out to the tune of negative several $1,000s.
Yeah.
But lots of fun.
Lots of fun, and that's what counts. Sometimes we get in bad moods, but we make it through. You guys put up with it, so that's on you. That's fun. That's useless.
Weird minor chord.
Minor chords are the best chords. I stand by that.
That's really loud. Minor chords are great this year.
Why is this right eye? I know it's left eye. Why is it smaller than its right eye?
Are you on powdered drugs right now? I'm not seeing what you're
No,
saying.
just crystals. It's smaller. Panda Magic, we will take your magic and giving us the bread.
I'm going to turn it down and tell you this.
Are chickens and pandas the same? What?
There's a lot of chickens in China.
Should I know that?
They belong to some guy named General Tsao. But with a T. One of a kind. Lotuses.
Low pie.
Lotuses.
Lotuses.
It's a perfectly cromulent word.
150. We've been min betting all day and also losing all day, so maybe we'll.
Hard to know
Sure,
what the system is. How do you win on this game?
The trick is you do the exact opposite of whatever we're doing.
The trick is you don't usually miss.
COX.
That's just
It's the
unexpected,
name
but
of the
true.
animal. If you were thinking of something else weird, that is not on me. TJ. Hey, kid.
A lot of pandas.
TJ. Chill.
We get a lot of weird looks, especially when you yell out COX really loud.
We got weird looks before we started carrying tripods. If you get 3 sons in the first row, you just never get the bonus. Ever.
Shut your face. Warhorse failed his math. He says inappropriate things.
Not appropriate to name it. I didn't name damn birds. Whoever named birds though is
Okay, birds are
crazy ass names.
There's some trippy ass birds. Y'all, look for birds. We're gonna name a couple right here. You now have to find names of birds.
Somebody look at a
right
bird
here.
and they're like, that's a big titty red breast MILF. We're like, yep, that's what that is. That was a horny cock. Like, yeah, that's what that is.
This is the slowest our money has ever gone down on Dragon Link.
And the
rich.
slowest our money's gone down today.
I'm so proud of us.
And the third most times I've said cock on the video.
Proud.
The video's still young. Lotus
Gotta be Lodi.
Lotuses.
The reason we don't get more subscribers is because we're so dumb.
I mean, it's probably true. You didn't have to say it.
Well, I feel like people should at least let us. People should know that we're self-aware enough to like. Ooh. Listen, people, we're smart enough to have real jobs and function in society. We just do this for fun, try to entertain people.
We have vaguely important jobs too. People like trust us to do things, like adult things,
And we're actually pretty good at it.
grown-up stuff.
I feel like we're good at our jobs. I don't know. That's subjective, I guess. I mean, we both worked for the same places for a while.
What?
I said we both worked at the same places for a while. You worked at your job for a while, and I worked at my job for a while.
I thought you meant we work at the same place, like the two of us. Like we have never shared a job.
No. We work at our same places.
We have each respectively worked at the
You
same.
know what I'm trying to say.
I didn't know
I
what you were
don't
trying to
know
say.
what
I thought
that
you were trying to say we both worked at the same place together.
Obviously, I do not work at a fire station. I'm not qualified for that. Even though if you watch my other videos, I have bailed out a lot of water. Lots of places.
You need an amateur plumber. And don't we all need an amateur plumber?
I will stick my hand in drains. I'll try it. I do not recommend sticking hands in drains.
Reminds me of that Weezer song. Only in drains.
I don't know. Is that a real song?
Only in dreams.
Oh.
It'd be about dreams though. I'm sure like Drano or Liquid Plumber or something buy the rights and make a dumb commercial jingle out of it. And they won't even pay me royalties for writing content. Well, so far this has gone a lot like everything else today.
A slow descent of our bank account.
And faster descent into madness.
Well, I know what the tagline of this video can be. COX. That's it. Just COX. And then I'll just say, if you know what we're saying.
You don't even say that, just say COX. Just delete this.
And then just fade into the video. And obviously people will have to figure out that, like, obviously we film our intros after the fact.
Sometimes. Do we film the intro first? I feel like we have. We always, as you can see, have a rock solid bulletproof plan for everything we do.
We're really good at winging it.
Everything's calculated. Except for losses. Don't do that.
Let's gauge what we're going to say for our taglines, you know, or like our inappropriate jokes. We don't know what the
Yeah, believe it or not,
give us.
we take time writing those jokes.
Low tie.
As much as it does not seem that way, I'm sure. Is it time well spent? Probably not. Oh. This is how this day has been. Just
Let's try laddering the smaller bets.
yeah.
Like let's do 50, 100, 150. And let's just keep going back down. I would have laughed if I looked at it.
All day like this.
A lot of panties.
COX. We're going to enjoy this because we have not won shit. The Autumn Moon Girl has creepy eyes if you watch her long enough. She blinks a lot and there's a lot of weird twinkly things in her eyes. Oops, I forgot the ladder of the bath. The ladder of the losses.
Got a lot of the lanterns.
And yet none of them. The same time.
And yet none. Oh, you're on battery safe mode. If the camera dies, it's because we're on low battery mode. Just such a heads up.
We'll just AI ourselves back in. AI writes all our jokes anyway.
Those are all organic. Tigers. It's gotta be decent, right?
$10 at least. Come on, $10.
That's it? Are you so for real? Oh, this is fun.
$250, just send the stuff in. Thought we were gonna get a bonus on $250 for a second. I hope the face cam's still on for that.
It is.
Yo.
Suppose you turn down the volume. That's a lot of pandas.
We have the volume up on all the other games we lost on.
Oh, it's like a big win. Is it because the ships? How much is that?
1190.
That's what Aristocrat's calling a big win. Alright.
I mean, it's pretty big if it takes them 6 minutes to count. COX COX. COX COX. bonus. Teases. Lotus Eye. Oh. $250 to finish it off.
You're like, I'm over it.
I am.
It almost looked like it went on standby for a moment, but maybe it went standby before it dropped off.
Who knows?
Man, your battery's going fast.
Yeah, something's up with that phone. 50 cents off. Thank you. You gotta get that lucky chance spin anyway. The only thing that's been good to us today. Give us a fucking bonus. When was the last time we got a bonus? Did we get any on the first game we played? We got a few crappy ones on the big game. Did you get any on the train? Did you get any on Break and Bake? We have not seen a bonus since COX 3. Ten spin. Alright, pandas have not been good to us today. Nor has anything else.
China Shores was good, but everything else Panda related has not.